We're hunting trolls. Today we're out troll hunting.
Yep, we're looking for a troll.
Apparently the Puget Sound area has been invaded by trolls.
So, this is the first one we're finding, but there's more in our troll hunt. Hopefully we won't get squashed into jelly.
That's true.
We understand that the Pacific Northwest trolls are quite docile, though.
So we found our first troll, and this one's called Yakob 2 Trees. I suppose he probably prefers Yakob 2 Trees. And right here behind me.
He has a necklace of birdhouses.
The troll here and the 5 other trolls were created by Thomas Dambo, who's an artist from Denmark. Thomas makes sculptures and installations out of recycled materials. By doing this, he hopes to inspire everybody to have fun and think of trash as a valuable resource. In August of 2023, a 6-site art exposition called Northwest Trolls, Way of the Bird King opened. They're installed in 5 locations around Puget Sound and 1 in the Portland area. Yeah, that is pretty cool, the necklace of birdhouses there.
Yep. I think Yakob is a home for many birds.
He has hair made of sticks. That's pretty cool, really. Well, we found our first troll, Erin.
We did.
What do you think, Thora? Thora, what do you think? What do you think about the troll?
The troll is really beautiful. It's really Nordic looking. And I like how it looks like it's made out of natural materials, so it kind of blends into the landscape. And you kind of are walking along this path and then you don't really see it, and then all of a sudden you do see it. So it looks like it really is just a troll hiding in the bushes.
It's a wood troll, I guess.
Yeah.
Now, something that's interesting is Thora doesn't perceive it's there.
No. She doesn't even notice it. It's like, because it's made of wood, it's just like the trees and the...
Yeah, it's like another tree.
Yeah.
Which is an interesting phenomenon that maybe animals can't perceive that the troll is there. It's almost like it's invisible.
Yeah. I like the feature of the necklace of birdhouses. It's like he's a home for birds, you know? That's cool.
We found Yakob 2 trees, and we have 5 more to hunt down. So let's continue our quest on this troll hunt. Yakob 2 trees is in Issaquah. Well, now we're in Ballard, and we're troll hunting.
We're finding a troll.
Well, we're on our second day of troll hunting, and we've found our second troll. Frankie Feet Splinter.
This is a neat troll. I'm not sure he's as cool as one of the other trolls we saw the other day, but he's cool that he's right here in the middle of the city. He's called Feet Splinters because he splinters wood with his feet.
Apparently, yeah. This troll is situated right in front of the Ballard National Nordic Museum. He splinters wood with his feet. As you can see, he's crushing that bench right there. Well, I've heard rumors of another troll that's somewhere just south of Seattle. So we're gonna go see if we can find that. Well, we found 2 of the 6 trolls. Thora seems rather unimpressed.
Yeah.
Hey, Thora. Well, we're at Lincoln Park, and we've heard that there's a troll here somewhere down by the sound, apparently. So we're hiking down this trail, and we're gonna see if we can find our 3rd troll. I believe this one's called Brun Idun.
Brun Idun?
Brun Idun. Now, isn't Idun the goddess that grows the apples of immortality?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah. That the Norse gods consume.
Yeah.
I think I see a troll. Well, we saw the troll from above. It didn't see us, so I think we're safe from being squashed into jelly, at least for the moment.
We have the element of surprise on our side.
Although I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do because I forgot my sword at home. We just have pebbles and sticks to subdue this troll. And of course, the mighty Thora. Brun Idun.
I think that's a lady troll.
Well, I think you're right. Apparently she likes the seashells.
Yep.
She definitely likes the seaside.
Yeah.
She has a drift log in her hand.
She has a bracelet made out of seashells and other kinds of sea life.
Yeah. Now I wonder if that bracelet is an addition, that someone else added.
Yeah. It looks like she also has like a hair adornment that's made out of seashells and driftwood and a necklace.
Oh, you know what that is?
What is it?
She's playing a trumpet or something.
Yeah.
It's an instrument that she's blowing on.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Well, so far, Brun Idun is my favorite one that we've seen.
Why is that?
She's really cool. Well, she's a lady troll, but also she has the most, pretty adornment. So she's playing an instrument and she has jewelry and she has pretty hair and I don't know, her face is really pretty looking. So that's why she's my favorite so far.
She's really concentrating on that instrument because her eyes are closed.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this one a lot. There's 3 trolls left, one on Vashon Island, one on Bainbridge Island, and one down in Portland.
The next trolls we're going to try to find will either be on Vashon Island or Bainbridge Island, I'm not sure. So now we're on Bainbridge Island. We've heard there's a troll somewhere in this forest. So we're gonna see if we can find it. It is daylight, so there's a chance that the troll's been turned to stone. Behind me here is another one of Thomas Dambo's trolls. This one is Paya the Peacekeeper. And Paya appears to be reflecting on something. He's sitting there meditating. He's definitely concentrating on something. I really like his hair. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that necklace. I think Paya's pretty friendly. I don't think Paya wants to eat me.
Hey, Erin, what's your impression of Paya the Peacekeeper?
This one's really neat. He looks really contemplative and like he's meditating. And like he wants to bring some balance to the earth.
I could go with that. I really like his toes.
Yeah.
Paya the Peacekeeper is our 4th out of 6 trolls. So we have 2 more to see. One is on Vashon Island and the other one is down in the Portland, Oregon area. So next we'll head to Vashon Island. So I'm starting to notice something. I suspected this before, but every time we go to one of these troll sites, there's a bunch of these multicolored bird houses. And so I think this is a clue to look for that you're getting close to a troll. Well, we're here on Vashon Island. We've heard a rumor there's another troll somewhere around here near Point Robinson. And apparently, word's gotten out because it's must be troll hunting season.
Yeah.
Because there seems to be a lot of people
Looking for this troll.
All right, let's go see if we can find it. Ooh, I think I see a troll behind the tree over there. Okay, this is interesting, guy.
Wow.
This is an interesting troll. Look, he's sitting on a throne and he has a crown.
Let's look at all the different birdhouses all over the place.
Behind me here is Oscar the Bird King.
Yeah.
Look at that, there's little birds in his beard.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. This is great.
He has seashells for toenails.
Yeah. Sit. Wait.
I think I might like Oscar the most. Wow. Sitting here on his log throne. What do you think of Oscar?
This one's really cool. This one might be as cool as Idun. I like how he's in his big chair. It's almost like he's commanding the birds to do stuff.
Well, he's pointing down at something.
But maybe it's like you're supposed to sit on the benches there, and he's telling you all a story about the birds.
He's definitely telling some sort of story, and he has a commanding presence.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Oscar's my favorite troll.
Is he cool?
And
He's cool.
we have one more to see, but I'm really liking Oscar.
He's kind of kingly. He has a crown and a throne. Oh.
So what do you think, Thora? Huh? You never really can see those trolls. They need to move.
They just smell like trees.
All right, there's Oscar the Bird King, and the next troll will be the last 6 out of 6 in Portland, Oregon. So we'll see you in Portland. We're down here just southeast of Portland, near Tigard, Oregon. And we've heard there's a troll around here. So this is the last troll we've heard about. And I think we're getting close.
Somewhere around here. He calls this little house his cookie jar. This is another Thomas Dambo troll. His name is Oli Boly.
So apparently, Oli Boly has peeled the roof up on this hut and is peering in.
Oli Boly appears to be the most mischievous troll. He thinks that the people inside the little house here are his cookies and he's going to eat them. So he's not as nice as Oscar the Bird King or Idun or the other trolls.
And how do you know he's going to eat them?
Because there's a poem on the wall in the house. That's what he says.
Look at his big foot.
It's huge. It's a huge foot. There's something in the air. That something makes my belly rumble. Something smells so strong. It hits me, almost makes me stumble. Could it be little people cooking something smelly in the big red cookie jar so I can put them in my belly?
Well, I think he's looking for cookies, not people.
Is he looking for actual cookies? It could be. He could just want cookies. But he peeled the roof off their little house to get at the cookies.
He did. Hey, Thora. What do you think of Oli Boly? Thora! Thora! Hi. Hi. Our troll hunt is complete. We've now seen all 6 of the Thomas Dambo Trolls.
This adventure was really fun. I would recommend everybody try and check out all 6 of the Thomas Dambo Trolls. My favorite troll was Idun. She was really beautiful, and the landscape right around there was really cool.
You know, my favorite was Oscar the Bird King. There's just something, I don't know, majestic and kingly about old Oscar.
Yeah, he was cool.
Yeah, I really like that. Although I really like Oli Boly here going after the cookies in the cookie jar.
Yeah, he's really fun, kind of childlike.
It takes some effort if you want to see all 6 trolls, especially if you live around Puget Sound, have to come all the way down here to Portland to see Oli Boly. But in the end, I really think it was worth it. It was fun seeking them out, finding each one. Each is unique in its own way, and they're all in kind of unique locations. Some challenging, you have to take the ferry to get out to Vashon Island, or potentially to get to Bainbridge Island, depending on which way you go. It's pretty cool, and I definitely recommend you hunt down the 6 Pacific Northwest trolls.
Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and please subscribe to Searching for History. Thanks for watching.